In the hush between every word we start, your hand finds mine under candlelight slow. You laugh too soft, like a secret only I should know. I can hear the sound of your heart beating closer, pulling me in. Every breath a promise in the dark, every look says let this begin. If the world falls quiet tonight, let it fall. We're safe where we are. I don't need a single star in the sky. I've got the sound of your heart.
Steal my air, just one kiss, and there's music everywhere. You say my name like a velvet prayer, all at once. Every lonely day feels answered.
I can hear the sound of your heart beating closer, pulling me in. Every breath a promise in the dark, every look says let this begin. If the world falls quiet tonight, let it fall. We're safe where we are. I don't need a single star in the sky. I've got the sound of your heart. Tell me, can you feel me? Tell me, will you stay?
I will follow every little rhythm that your love makes.
When we're dancing slow like this, time just slips away. I can hear the sound of your heart beating closer, pulling me in. Every breath a promise in the dark, every look says let this begin. If the world falls quiet tonight, let it fall. We're safe where we are. I don't need a single star in the sky. I've got the sound of your heart. I've got the sound of your heart. I've got the sound of your heart. On the same old chair, steam from the tea, curls in your hair, lines on your hand, stories I know. You say we're late, but we still move slow. We're not younger anymore, but I still reach for you. Across the table, across the years, like it's something new. We're not younger anymore, maybe that's what love is for. Staying when the rush is gone and wanting even more and more. We missed the last train.
Walk home in the rain, laugh when we wheeze on that stupid hill again. Your keys always lost, my jokes always bad, but you steal my breath with a smile you had.
We're not
Younger anymore, but I still reach for you. Across the dishes, the quiet nights, like it's something new. We're not younger anymore, maybe that's what love is for. Sharing all the everyday and still craving more.
Roses on your shoulders, silver threads in your hair. If this is growing older, leave me growing there.
We dance closer, just a whisper, feet a little slow on the floor.
But your heart beats like it did when we were 24.
We're not younger anymore, but I still fall for you. Every small wrinkle, every soft sigh, every